What's up, world? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making mac and cheese. So we know you all have had this pre-made mac and cheese and it might taste good, but it's garbage. So today we are going to be making an easy homemade version of mac and cheese, and here's going to be the cool thing about this recipe. We are not going to be boiling the noodles separately. We are actually going to be boiling them with our sauce. So anyways, let's get started. First we're going to start out with one and a half cups of water and 1 cup of milk. And then we're going to add 8 ounces of noodles, 4 ounces of American white cheese, and 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. And the cool thing about these noodles are we are actually going to be using Barilla Elbows macaroni noodles, because if you look closely you can see they have these little ridges in them, which helps it absorb the cheese sauce. So, here we go. Alright, and we'll see you guys at the stove. Alright, so as you can see, we are over here at the stove. We let the water, the milk, the noodles, and the white American just simmer for about 8 minutes. And now we are going to add in the other ingredients. And the American cheese is gonna help you get that creamy texture. And our sharp cheddar is going to help us get that flavor that you want. So we're gonna start off by adding our 4 ounces of American cheese, of our cheddar cheese, our sharp cheddar. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of mustard, just Dijon mustard. And then we're gonna do about 1 or 2 dashes of cayenne for a little bit of heat. And then yeah, I'll see you at the next step. Alright, so welcome back. Right now we are making our topping for the mac and cheese. So we are going to start off with about 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. And then we have 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're just gonna add some salt and pepper. You don't need too much. Alright, and then we're gonna let that simmer and see you at the stove. Alright, so right now we are toasting the breadcrumbs, and you wanna toast them till you get a golden brown color. They turn golden brown very quickly, so the second you see that you've gotten that golden brown, you wanna immediately take it off. And as you can see, we're almost getting that golden brown color that we want. And yeah, we'll see you with the next step. Alright, so right now we have our toasted breadcrumbs. And we are just gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper. And then you also wanna add some grated cheese. We are going to be using Pecorino Romano cheese from Italy, which we used in our cacio e pepe video, but you can also use Parmesan too if you don't have that. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we're done. Alright, so here we are with the taste test. We have our breadcrumbs and our macaroni and cheese, so put maybe a little bit more. Just like that. And yeah, it's time for the taste test. Alright, so we are here with the taste test. So we sprinkled a few breadcrumbs on there already. And yeah, it's time for the taste. I don't think I've had better mac and cheese in my life, honestly. Yeah, this is way better than the Kraft mac and cheese that you have at home, and this is very easy. Most of these items you could just find laying around in your house. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this one. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!